ABC7 meteorologist Brian Vandegraff. This came in from Burke. And Natasha sent out this photo of her snowy driveway in Aquia Harbor. And then Jen took two pictures that caught our eye in D.C. The first one, I think, shows some park rangers near the Washington Monument. And the second is a great view of flurries looking back across the tidal basin at the Jefferson Memorial. Look at that.
Yeah, if you weren't stuck in it or having to drive, you could just sit and look outside. It's
nice,
beautiful.
Yeah. Is on the scale of snowstorms here and the impact it has, the impact worked out pretty well.
Yeah.
Everybody handled it well, was well prepared. Tonight we have flurries coming with a reinforcing push of cold air, but don't expect impact from that. But from the sub-freezing temperatures in the teens in many areas tomorrow, icy patches are a real concern overnight. Well, let's get you started with our Thursday afternoon coverage. This is a satellite and radar animation. When it goes to the beginning here, we're kind of tailing through the end, and right now it'll start at 10 a.m. this morning, 11 a.m. And look how quickly the winter storm moves out to sea. I mean, it is racing, pushed by jet stream winds blowing 130 or 40 miles an hour, pushing it out, leaving clouds behind. But things are pretty quiet right now weather-wise. Temperatures above freezing. We are looking at the next little system to move in tonight with another push of cold air, and has left behind snow ranging from a trace near the Pennsylvania border to about an inch in Germantown and Baltimore, a little bit less than an inch officially at Reagan National, 3.5 in Waldorf, 5.2 inches in southern sections of St. Mary's County. Snowfall amounts 6-7 inches, very common when you get to south central Virginia and down towards the North Carolina border. But the concern now is not for the snow on the ground, but the snow that has melted or become slushy. Temperatures now were okay, above freezing in the metro area, but not long from now will drop to 32 or below. And then late tonight, when the colder air comes in, we're going to see other numbers into the teens to lower 20s tomorrow morning, and that's going to be the problem with the refreeze. 16 the projected low in Gaithersburg, 17 in Frederick and at Andrews, and 22-degree low on the river in Quantico. Now, looking forward here, we're seeing plenty of cold air to the north and west. So you kind of see the divide here, 38 for us, 36 in Charleston, West Virginia, but the farther north and west you go, that's the core of the next batch of cold air that's going to come in tonight and stay with us for a few days, making it very hard to get close to our average high of 50. Instead, we're going to be closer to 30 or 32 for the next couple of days. As high pressure pulls that cold air literally in from the north and west. We'll have a little flurry activity late tonight in the morning, turning partly cloudy, and I think we'll be kind of pleasant except cold through Saturday. Some high cloudiness and sunshine during the day Saturday, back to near 30 degrees. Then on Sunday, moisture we'll have to keep an eye on moving from the south. Another cold front to the west. We could see a wintry mix of rain and snow in many areas by late Sunday evening. Overnight inside the Beltway, about 24 teens in the suburbs with a few flurries. And then we'll check out the next 7 days for you. It's hard to believe the average high is 50 degrees. We're nowhere near it now, but just wait. As we get through early next week, we have a chance of doing a little bit better. A chance of rain and snow mixed Sunday night, and then a chance of rain Monday as we climb through the upper 40s, and turning a bit colder Tuesday, and then into Wednesday, the next system likely to become all rain with highs in the mid-50s, still about 50 degrees by Thursday. Steve Rudin's going to take a look in a little bit about other parts of the country with the southern storm that really got whacked hard by the snow and ice.
Okay, well, we'll see you then.
Okay.
Thank you.
All righty. Two airlines with a laundry list of issues.
And still to come, how United and